Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning and thank you very much for participating in the seminar. Let me introduce myself. My name is Risna Mustika and I am a final year student of English Language Education Study Program of Bangladesh University. In this presentation, I'd like to talk about motivation in the language classroom. Motivation is strongly influenced by many internal and external factors. For internal factors such as attitude, perception, and then confidence, and etc. While external factors such as social environment, family, friends, teacher, and also classroom, and etc. In the language classroom, we know that there are many specific factors to affect students' motivation. But the question here is, what are these factors, and how can the teacher exploit them to foster the student motivation? Okay, here I will divide my presentation into two sections. The first section is about 5 classroom specific factors of motivation, and the second section is what a teacher should do to increase students' motivation. I will present right now. I will present the section one is about 5 classroom specific factors of motivation. According to Renania in 2040, refers to these classroom specific factors as 5Ts as motive of motivation. 5Ts here is teacher, teaching methodology, text, task, and test. I will explain this 5Ts one by one. The first one, the first T is teacher. A teacher who is caring, responsible, sportive, humorous, enthusiastic, and committed, who has a genuine interest in their students' learning. I mean here is to foster or to tend the students' motivation. The teacher should be a good teacher. A good teacher here is who is caring, supportive, humorous, enthusiastic, and then have a high interest to their students. So that if the teacher can be like that, I think the students will get a high motivation. And then the second T is teaching methodology. Teaching methodology, the teacher who use a variety of learning methods customized to the individual needs of the students will be more successful in engaging them towards achieving the second language. The teacher to foster the students' motivation, the teacher should provide or should make appropriate methodology to the students. Here is the methodology is should relevant to the students and to their skill. If the method is relevant to them, I think the students will be enjoyable in learning process. The third T is text. Both oral and written text used as classroom material should be interesting and relevant to the students. Text is also same with teaching methodology. Both oral and written text. Text it should be the teacher should provide a good text and then relevant to them. Because if the teacher give the students the text which is interesting and then relevant to their skill, I think the student will be get more motivation to do the text. Now the T4 is task. Tasks that fall within students' experience and skill levels tend to be more motivating than those that are too demanding. The good task for the students is when the teacher giving the students task according to their experience and then relevant to their skill levels, so that the teacher can be have a great motivation to do the task. And then the last T is test. We know that test here is when the teacher do test. It means that the teacher want to know the student's achievement. want to know the students' progress, what they have been learning before, so that test also means a learning tool for the students. So the teacher should provide and should make appropriate test to the student which is relevant to the material what they have been learned before. Well, now we move in the second section about what the teacher should do to increase the learners' motivation. According to Dorney in 2001, he writes, the best motivational intervention is simply to improve the quality of our teaching. In other words, good teaching can often lead the students' motivation, bring the students to become more enthusiastic and then get high motivation. So that here the teacher is main factors to foster the students' motivation. So and also here the 5 T's of motivation above can be used as a working guideline to the students to improve the quality in the learning process. Well, now conclusion for this presentation. The first one is there are 2 factors of students' motivation. It can be by internal and it can be by external factors, right? And then the second one is there are 5 classroom motivation. It is called 5 TS: teacher, teaching methodology, task, test, and text, task, and test. And then the last one is, in my opinion, teaching methodology, text, task, and test is depend on the teacher. I mean here the teacher is important factors to foster a student's motivation. So that if the teacher is a good teacher, I think